maraming magaganda, hindi babae. Di ba? So, ang ganda. Naku, nakatape pala ito. So, ito yun, ha? Ito yun. I've got news for you, gentlemen. I'm sorry to inform you, in my many years of study, only women are good with multitasking. Men are not. Am I correct, ladies? After I say this, the women are my friends. Because when God created male and female, God created male and female equally, but they were created differently. Hindi pareho. Ang lalaki, masyadong tunnel vision. Kaya nakadiretso lang sa kanilang tinitignan. That's not a bad thing because men are supposed to be hunters. How can you be hunters kung kalat yung pananaw mo? That's why, ang lalaki, pag nakaset yung eyes niya, nakafocus sa isang objective, mahirap ma-stop yan. Women are very peripheral. They see everything. Yes, everything. Kaya nahuhuli yung lalaki. If you don't believe me, ha? Hindi pwede magtago. Kaya maraming lalaki nakakalimutan yan eh. So, husband and wife comes home from work, nanood ng TV, may lumabas na magandang artist. Now, give me examples. Artist na maganda. Wrong example, wrong example. Sino pa? Sino pa? Yung pleasant, ha? Sarah Geronimo. Sarah Geronimo. Anong nakikita ng lalaki? Sarah Geronimo. Anong nakikita ng babae? Alam mo, hindi pantay yung lipstick na. Hindi kita ng lalaki yan. Di ba? Ladies, tama? Tama? Kaya si wife nagpa-rebonding, nagpa-straightening. 18,000 ba naman ang ginastos? Pag-uwi sa bahay, sweetheart, wala ka ba napapansin? Anong sabi ng husband? Ay, oo nga pala, bago chinelas pa. You notice that? And I have to inform you, it is not true. Sir, Mustafa. And it is not true that men are the stronger sex. The women are.
Yes.
If you are in the insurance, if you are in the insurance industry, you will know that husbands pay higher premium than wives, di ba? And ito pa, wives are expected to outlive their husbands 6 to 8 years. Totoo yun. Nung sinabi ko to, lumapit sa akin isang negosyante, sabi niya, pare, totoo yan. Alam mo kung ba't maunang namamatay lalaki? Sa buwisit tayo. Hindi sa buwisit. Kasi, the women handle stress better than men. Ang babae kasi pag na-stress yan, di ba? Pagbuhos niyan, release it. At hindi lang yan. Lalapitan siya ng mga kasama niya, sister, gano'n na talaga yan, sister. May healing yun eh. Ang lalaki pag na-stress, kailangan macho pa rin. Pero nakaka-cancer na yan. At wala pa akong nakitang lalaking brother. Ganun na. Wala. Hindi brother. At mayroong kayang gawin ang babae na hindi kayang gawin ng lalaki. Sa tagal, hindi, shopping ginagawa ko. Shopping is my therapy. Pag stress ako, I do shopping. And I'm always in intensive care. So, mayroong ginagawa babae na kahit kailan di ko pa nakita ang ginagawa ng lalaki. You will never hear men say, halika, mag-CR tayo. Pag may nagyaya siya, ayoko nga.